It is our annual open house. It's an opportunity for Prosser to really show out the many programs that we have here and, of course, our facility. With as many programs as you have here at Prosser, it really is required that the community and the individuals that want to come in and be a part of one of our programs come in and see the variety that we have. And again, the facility that we have here is par excellence. I mean, we did a renovation just a few years ago, and I'd say it's probably one of the most well-equipped training facilities in the region.
Open house is for anyone, a student that is interested in coming here to Prosser, for them to actually visually come in and visit Prosser to see what our facility looks like, and then to see how much hands-on training they will have, not only in the classroom, but then in our lab. And it offers them also opportunity to ask questions and get to know their instructors as well.
We're focused on careers, and therefore, we want students to have the opportunity to see the variety and hopefully get opportunity to focus on what career they might want to be getting into. Giving them the opportunity to kind of come in and speak to the instructors. We typically will have students in here that they could speak to and see them doing demonstrations and things like that.
Prosser is kind of the hidden gem in our community in the Louisville, Southern Indiana area. Prosser Open House is Thursday, January 20th from 5:30 to 7 p.m. in the evening. I can definitely guarantee that if they come to Prosser Open House, they're not going to be disappointed in what they see. If anything, they're going to be even more surprised knowing that it's not just classroom work, that it's also the hands-on skills that they will learn, college credit that they'll earn, and certifications as well.